Hey Pro Archery Ballistics users, Lucas here, talking about the next new feature of the app. So on the sight tape page, if you scroll down, you'll have three buttons you see here. The newest button is click to build dual tape. So let's open this up. Dual tape allows you to select two different arrow builds, for example, my tack build and my hunting build, which of course are going to be in the same bow with the same sight. So they'll have the same peep to arrow measurement and you'll have the same sight radius. This will allow me to compare these two builds. The red line represents the approximate max distance you can shoot for each of these builds, as well as the relative starting points between the two. Dual tape will let you print off this side-by-side tape in a 1/4 inch variation such that you can have two sights on your bow, two sight tapes on your bow at the same time that are automatically calibrated relative to each other. So once you align one of your builds, for example, let's say the tack arrow at 60 yards, and I put my sight tape on my sight, my hunting build will match the right side when I use my hunting arrow. We can adjust the max red line based on our setup. You'll use this input box here. This value is in inches. You'll measure the distance from your bottom pin to the bottom of your scope housing, and you'll also want to include your fletching height if you intend to shoot odd vein up, or just to make sure that your vein's clear. If you're shooting a 4-fletch, take the height that vein is at relative to your sight. So it'd be the vertical height. So it's not quite the total height of the vein, but you can, like I said, adjust that here. This will let you know where your max distance is. That way you're never shooting an arrow through your scope housing. This is the next feature of Pro Archery Ballistics. You can select any of our sights